Every day, over 600 million people in sub-Saharan Africa go without electricity. They rely on dangerous and expensive kerosene lamps, walk miles just to charge a mobile phone, and lack access to basic financial services that can dramatically improve their standard of living. Enter Powami, our clean, modern solar home systems with energy-efficient lamps, phone charging connections, radio and flashlight make solar energy affordable for even rural low-income households. We make this possible through flexible mobile money-based payment plans that fit our customers' needs. Just as importantly, our analytical approach helps customers build credit that they can use to unlock access to other life-enhancing products like TVs, refrigerators, and even loans. This two-step approach helps us form deep relationships that change lives for good, over 30,000 of them in just 2 years. And with your help, in the coming years, we'll touch millions more. Because with Powami, energy is just the beginning.